Hello, friends. Good morning, all of you. Today is the day of Sunday, 21st April 2024. Is the day of Lord Surya. Also, today is another holiday. This day is also especially associated with the land of Bihar. We are talking about a special day, Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Swami birthday. The 24th Tirthankar of Jainism has given the message of truth, non-violence, renunciation, restraint, and non-possessive liveness. His life and thoughts are a source of inspiration for us. Let us all pledge to build a civilized, peaceful, and inclusive society by the following the path shown by Lord Mahavir Swami. In this day and in this occasion, I will invite Kumar Mangalam, who is the student of class 7 St. Teresa School, discuss this topic. So, I request to Mr. Mangalam, please give his speech to the inspirational life of Lord Mahavir. The life of Lord Mahavir and is ready to follow his path. Let us know some special information related to Lord Mahavir. Also, my request to my audience, if you like this video of ours, then to like and subscribe so that our moral increases with your blessing. Thank you. Welcome, Mr. Kumar Mangalam.
Thank you, Mr. Roop. Mahavir Jayanti is one of the most auspicious festivals for the Jain community. It marks the birth anniversary of 24th and the last Rik Yatra of Jain religion. Jainism places great emphasis on achieving world peace and harmony in a manner that causes little to no harm to living beings. Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated with great favor by Jains around the globe. They carry out procession, Rath Yatra, visit temples, give offerings to the poor, meditate and chant hymns. In praise of Lord Mahaviras of this auspicious occasion. Lord Mahavira was born to be kind. Siddharth and Queen Trishala in the ancient kingdom of Vaishali. There is some debate among the Jains about the exact birth of Mahavira. While the Shwetambar Jains believe he was born in 599 BC, the Digambar Jains believe he was born in 615 BC. As per the Hindu calendar, Lord Mahavira was born in 13th day of the month of Chaitra at the age of 30. Mahavira renounced all the world possessions and became a wandering ascetic, searching for spiritual enlightenment. The legend goes that after spending 12 years in exile, he attained Kevala Jnana or omniscience. Lord Mahavira dedicated his life to the teaching of non-violence, truth, non-stealing, and non-attachment. He praised that all living beings have a soul and should therefore be treated with love, compassion, and respect. He also stressed the importance of living a simple, peaceful, and a virtual life. Mahavir Jayanti wishes. May Lord Mahavir bless you on Mahavir Jayanti and each day that follows. Wishing you a joyous and blessed Mahavir Jayanti. May the auspicious day bring peace, happiness and prosperity to your life. May the blessing of Lord Mahavira fill you life with happiness, contentment and inner peace. Happy Mahavir Jayanti to you and your loved ones. Strive for peace and strengthen the bonds of brotherhood through love and harmony. Wish you a very happy Mahavir Jayanti. Let us celebrate Mahavir Jayanti by spreading love, joy, and harmony. May this festival bring you closer to your family, friends, and the community. Warm wishes on the special days. The idol of Mahavir is carried out on a chariot in a procession called Rath Yatra. On the way, Shravan's religion rhymes are recited. Status of Mahavira are given to ceremonial anointment called Abhisheka. During the day, most members of Jain community engage in some sort of charitable act, prayers, pujas, and vratas. Many devotees visit temples dedicated to Mahavir to meditate and offer prayers. Lecture by monks and nuns are held in temple to preach the path of virtue as defined by Jainism. Donations are collected in order to promote charitable missions like saving cows from shelter or helping to feed poor people. Ancient Jain temples across India typically seen an extreme high volume or practitioner come to pay their respect and join in the celebration. Ahimsa runs and rallies preaching Mahavir's message of Ahimsa non-violence are taken out this day.
Thank you,
Thank you, Mr. Roop.
Kumar Mangalam, for a very valuable speech to a very special day, the birthday of Lord Mahavir. I again do lot of thanks to your very nice speech. Thank you.